What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful iCAR 03. Now the beautiful part about this car and this unit right in front of me is that this unit is actually limited. It's a phantom black color. As you can see, it's a matte finish unit. It's not like any other car that you have seen because it is beautifully stunning and gorgeous and in its own way. So as you can see, this iWD stands for all-wheel drive, and this is the iCAR 03. So very cool indeed. Now let's take a walk around to show you the front of the car before we jump right in and the inside. But let us show you the exterior looks and appearance of this beautiful piece of art. Now start off with the DRLs. If you notice, this is a iCAR, right? So this is a I right here. So very nice touch for the DRLs. These are your main headlights located right here, and you do get this yellow lighting that goes across the grille right here. So that's actually very cool for a car like this. You have some pulsating eye right in the center, which is also very nice. You got your other side right here that looks very cool indeed. Love how the front grille appears to be, because there's this satin finish of a chrome slat right in front of the front grille. You got your camera located right down here for the front, and you got this very beautiful place to put your number plate, which is not here right now, but nevertheless a very muscular front for this beautiful car, including the side. If you notice, the sides right here are much more wider compared to the normal and standard iCAR 03. But just gotta check this beautiful finish of this car. The wrapping on this car is stunning, man. The color is absolutely stunning. Now as for the front hood, you get some lines right here that pops at the side, makes it look even more muscular. Right under the light you're able to see some muscular lining at the side right here. So gorgeous finish for this car indeed. Now let's move on to the wheel side. Before we go down to the wheels, let's check out the side finish right here. It is super aggressive looking and fierce looking indeed. Very sporty and nice, rugged finish. Now you get your eye right in the center right here of the wheel cap. You also get your tire size, which I will mention by finding the location, 225/55 R19. So that's the tire size for this particular wheel that we have right here. You got your solid disc brakes right on the inside. Your brake calipers are right there. I love how they have that two-tone finish of the wheel. You got some black, got some silver finish on this side and on that side. Very cool indeed. Now the tire brand that they're using here is Chow Yang. Now I'm not so sure about this future cars, whether will these tire exactly be here, but nevertheless it is a good tire indeed. Love how they have this aggressive looking front of a side fender, and even the door side right here. If you notice, they have this aggressive finish of a door side skirting. Very nice indeed. Love the design, man, for this. When you unlock the car, of course the door handles pop up like this, but before we get right to the door handles, let's talk about the side mirrors. You do get this gloss black finish at the bottom, your nice rugged like matte finish at the top right here, and also you get your turn indicators located right there. Now let's jump right in the door side and admire how gorgeous this car actually looks from the door side. Your speaker sound system, this is a all-wheel drive, so you get some Infinity sound system right over there. You also get your handles that you can hold to pull to close the door, your window adjustments right here up and down, and also your electronic button for you to press to open up the door. Your hand goes in to even pull the door to close it. Infinity sound system right here, your speakers, cup holder goes right here, storage compartment right here. I love how they have all these sort of like chrome finishes of a screw-like finish to make it look as rugged as possible. Now you do get this leather finish right here, leather finish right here. You got some stitching that goes in a straight line, leather finish right here, and the quality of this is superb, man. Other finishes similar to this and this, but other than that, leather finish. Now at the side right here, the plates, you have your all road wording, which also lights up. Very cool, as you can see that. Black carpets, and I love the seating. Now let's push the seat a bit straight up for you guys to see. They have your perforated seats, you got your stitching all over the seats, and these two lines that comes down, you got some contrast stitching happening right here, very nice. You got this lined up stitches that goes from left to right. Very rugged feeling kind of a seat. Love how it looks. Now let's jump right in and let's get a feel of how this car actually feels to sit. So the fans are on, cool. On the left side right here, you got your air fan to adjust, your aircon vent. Very nice indeed. This right here, I believe, is just a design, but you can store something if you wish to, but I'm afraid you don't want to be storing anything in case the driver drives too fast, it's going to fall out. But it is a very nice design. Gloss black finish right here, got your leather finish right at the top. You got your speaker that goes right there, and also you got this leather finish down here. So the quality of this car is superb in terms of how the way it's designed. You got your stitches right there that goes across, and also this chrome finish of a air vent. Got this fabric top right here that goes all the way up, including your glass roof, which I'll show it to you in a while more. But before that, let's pull this down. Yep, I love how they have that all road wording right there. Very nice, very nice. Let's push that up, and the glass roof opens right up. Very nice indeed, guys. So your center screen, super huge. You have all sorts of things that you can actually adjust and choose to do from here. But yeah, I need more time to figure out about this car, but I believe you have all sorts of off-road driving capabilities in this particular unit as well. Now this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger. Seat belts are in black, very nice. Now let's get right down to show you guys the rear, but before that, let's take a look at the center space that they have. Tons of storage space, man. You got your USB-C and your Type-C. Amazing storage compartment down here. Love the handles that you get. You can grip and hold on to it. Again, you got some design-like elements to make it look as sporty as possible and rugged as possible. Now, let's open up the rear doors. Once again, I love how they have these gloss black finishes even on the inner part of the panel. The sides that goes all the way down. So very nice touch. I love this finishing on this side also as well. Very cool. So we got to move to the rear. So now let's check out the doors. Beautiful touch of a door. Infinity, once again, electronic button you press to open up the door, and window adjustments up and down. And this right here is your handle to actually hold and pull and close the door. And yeah, it is kind of cool. They have all sorts of storage compartments down here, and very nice indeed. You have your sound system Infinity like there. You got your all-road side plates right here. So very cool of a finish that we have for this car. Now let's jump right in to the rear passenger of this car. It is a very nice boxy design like of a car. It's super cool, man, dude. Love it. Storage space for the leg. I mean, legroom space, superb. You have no issue with the center here, so you can move around your leg much as you wish to. The seats are actually closed with the seat belts right now, but we can pull it back down to show it to you guys. But seat belts are in black. You do get a very nice center finish for the center person that's sitting right here, the rear passenger. You have your two cup holders that can actually go in if you wish to. Just push that back, and again you got your USB-C and your Type-C charging right here. Air vents right there. Now let's open up on this side and let's check out the center seat. Yeah, this is me sitting comfortably right at the center. Tons of space for the headroom. Now I have opened up the shade, but I believe you can do it once again a little bit more. There we go, guys. Check that out. Beautiful. Love how they have that glass that actually can open up. Now you do get all of these accessories that you can buy, but very cool indeed. Love how it is. Love how it is. So let's open up the door. Once again, press the button at the side and let's get right down. So one thing that we should be taking a look at is the amount of accessories this car has. Now this is another storage space that you can keep some stuff if you wish to. There's also another storage space right there, but we'll get right to that shortly. Before that, let's take a look at the wheels at the rear. Now you do get the Chow Yang tire brand here, and also you get 225, 55, R19. This is a all-wheel drive car. You do get a beautiful wheel design for this rugged finish of a car. Very nice. You got your all-road wording right here, the side for the rear passengers. Seat belts are also in black. Very sporty finish of a car, man. Whew, love it, man, dude. Check out those top part right here. Damn cool, man. It is damn cool. E-Cube, love the name. Again, this is your rear door. Now let's jump right to the rear of the car. What you notice is that you got this boxed up feeling, which traditionally should be a tire, where you keep your tire, but let's push that, and you're able to see the storage space that this car provides. You got a net right here, you can keep some stuff right in. I believe this should be your charging cable that you can keep in, or any other stuff that you wish to. It has this sort of like elastic finish right here, which is very, very nice indeed. Let's close that back. Yep, it's closed right there. So you got your rugged finish of a rear bumper. Number plate goes right there. 360 camera for your reverse goes right there. That should be, either one of these should be your tow hook, where you can actually insert it to pull the car out just in case it needs to be pulled out. Reflectors for your rear, and also you get your sensors located right here. So the rear diffuser of this car is super aggressive. I love how it looks. And also you get your side fenders for the rear that also has this aggressive finish, especially when they have this chrome stuff happening at the side, right? So it creates that very nice look. Now, the thing that I love most about this is that they have a side step. So what you're going to do is normally you put your leg right up here. So you put your leg right up there, and then you climb up here, and then you can get up to the top in case you wish to keep some other stuff right at the top. So they call it a combat rider for this. Like how they have the name right there, and very nice touch indeed. So let's open up the rear. Press that button right there and let's pull it apart. Cool, man. So you do get your rear brake lights also in this I version type of a design. Very nice indeed. These should be your car carpets for the center, but this car is still new, so we will not be putting that on in the meantime. But before that, let's check out the storage space down here, and storage space right there. Very, very nice indeed, man. Now we will fold down the rear seats to show it to you guys, but before that, what's hiding down here? Let's take a look. Sound system, speaker, subwoofer together with charging cable, and other safety stuff that you guys can actually use, such as your warning triangle and whatnot. You got a net right here for the door. Very nice. I believe this should be a hook to hang some stuff. This is a very cool car, man. Love it. Now let's fold down the rear seats to show you guys how much space you guys can actually get. Very nice. Storage space is superb. Let's do that over there as well. Very, very nice finish of a rear. Very cool looking design, like for a car, man, dude. I love how it looks. Very nice indeed. Very nice. Okay, so with the rear folded down, as you can see, the amount of space that you guys get are a lot, or is a lot. Check this out, man, dude. From the back, super huge. From the side, right here, once again, amazing space that you guys get, man, dude. Superb. Now let's jump to the front driver's seat, the main one where we're looking at. First thing you notice, of course, you got your window adjustments for all four of your windows. You got your Infinity sound system speaker right there, electronic button right here, storage compartment right down there, cup holder goes right there. Very nice indeed. Now let's jump right to the inside part of the driver. Now with the sunshade open, as you can see, a super rugged-like finish of a car. Love how it looks. Brake pedals are fully in black together with the accelerator pedal, which is very nice indeed. I like how they have that iCAR word right at the carpet. Very cool indeed. Amazing screen setup. Once again, you have tons of settings that you guys can actually choose. I believe you can actually do a lot of stuff with this, man, even for charging also as well. Choose to lock and unlock the car also from here, and I believe, yeah, that's exactly how you unlock the charger for you to charge your car. But nevertheless, let's admire how the center part looks like. This is your card for you to use in case you wish to drive the car away. Your wireless charging for your phone goes here. Got some cooling purpose right here, which is very cool indeed. You got your two cup holders located right here. I love this handle where you can actually hold on to in case you are worried about the place you're driving if it's not so balanced. Get to support yourself even more. Storage compartment down there, very nice indeed. Let's close that back down. Love how they had that stitching across the whole car. There's a contrast stitching happening all over the place, as you can see. Very nice indeed. Now, steering wheel is super simple. Love how they have that I wording right here. Volume adjustments right there, I believe, or here. You can actually choose to do it even from the main screen. Your signal turn indicators are located right here. I love how when you do that, your screen pops up and shows you other things to do. Your gear knob, drive, reverse and P is also there. Very cool indeed. Air vent is located right here. So love the display, how it looks like. Super clean, super neat. 0 km per hour. Driving modes, of course, you can change, and that is all that matters with this car. I mean, there are tons of things that you can actually choose. You got your normal mode, you got your sport mode. Damn cool, man. I love the way how this thing actually gives you all sorts of information, man. Dude, that's very cool indeed. Love how it looks. Very nice indeed. Very cool. So this is me sitting right here, front driver's seat. Seat belts are also in black, and once again I love the light that comes in from top right there. Amazing light that comes through here also as well. Very cool indeed, man. Superbly cool. Now let's get right down. Check out the top part of the car. Once again, very nice finish, man, dude. I love it. I really love it a lot. Damn. Let's take one more look around the side right here. Very sporty finish of a car. Superbly cool, man, dude. Superb design. Very rugged. Love those lines at the rear. Side profile is fantastic, man, dude. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about iCAR, do head down to Damansara. They have tons of cars right here. This is their 4S showroom, and it is super huge. They have the showroom right there, and right here is their workshop together with their body and paint. So it is a fantastic beast right here, and it's waiting for you to check it out for yourselves. So that is it, guys, for today. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.